Okay, so let's take a look at how you can connect the Google Sheet with one of the integration of Box. Right, so I have Google Sheet with this particular data, fixed column header, and two entries of the table. Right, I want to sync this in one of the document of Box. Right, so what I will do is sync Google Sheets to the text file in Box. Okay, so here you see one of the option that allows you to do that. So Zap is ready, we can use it directly. So you can use AI prompt for finding such zaps. So here basically you have to point to the account, then spreadsheet, then comes worksheet. So you have to just point it out, click continue, test the trigger. Next would be to basically create a text document. Right, so once you create a text document within Box account, you can continue. Right, so here we have our Box account. I will continue. I will point out to the folder, then I will mention the name of file. Can name this Zapier Google Sheets. Then we can think of file data, which is content. This is sync content. That only line I will sing this. Let's continue now. Test the Zap. If the connection is proper, we can move to publishing the Zap. So it should point out to one of the file within the folder available. Right, so go to your box.com account. By default nothing will be here. Right, you can always refresh and so to see if there are new addition is there. Right, so as you can see there isn't any, so we have to check our folder manually, and here you see the file is added. So if you open that, most likely that would allow you to check the new sync content. Right, so if you can see this, that means you have managed to sync your Zapier account to Google Sheets and Box.com.